Hi guys, it's Denise. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my FABFITFUN box, and this is the summer one, and I'm super excited because for the first time, as soon as they announced that we can choose our stuff, I went ahead and chose everything, and I loved everything that I picked. So if you want to check out what I've got in the box, please keep watching. So this is the box that I got. It is actually way smaller than the regular box that they have been giving out, which is awesome. And so for this one, this is in support of Special Olympics. Every box is always a different organization that they support. I have a couple of people actually ask me if FabFitFun is worth it, and for the price, and you know, if you get to really pick your products, it's actually amazing. Open the box side. Okay, so the first one is, oh, it's Gabby. I love Gabby. She's a gymnast, and basically you get your magazine that you can flip through, and it will also show you all the stuff that you got and their cost. Okay, so I have some coupons over here. I have this one, Bright Cellars, which is, I'm assuming, for wine, and this one is Green Chef, the #1 meal kit for eating well. So I have a $90 off. First things first are my shampoos. You guys know that I love these. This is the R&Co Television Perfect Hair Shampoo. I specifically love this because #1, I've started using this brand for over 2 years already, ever since I colored my hair. This, I honestly didn't know about that up until my stylist recommended them to me. This one is so amazing. It's sulfate free, and for the past 3 boxes, this is one of the stuff that I've been picking, so I don't have to buy shampoo and conditioner, which is amazing because this can be a little bit pricey as well, but it's totally worth it. I haven't had my hair done for a year already, so I'm trying to maintain it. Okay, so for the second thing that I'm also super excited and happy that I was able to snag is this silk satin pillow sleeve, designed to help you retain moisture in your skin. It prevents frizziness and all that stuff, so I've always been wanting to try, and it's amazing that they put this in one of the options. $30 already. One pillowcase, 30 bucks, and I got it in this box. Amazing. Third one that I got, this one I did not pick, so they just put it in my box. Foot cream by Taroko. So this one actually retails for $24. So this one is a combination of menthol and olive oil that helps heal and hydrate your feet. Obviously, with the summer months coming, your feet are always exposed, and I don't normally do manicures, I do my own, so having this handy will help me with my routine and make it extra luxurious. Next one that I got is a hand cream, and this one is from Spongeli, but this one is infused with shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and argan oil, and it smells coconut, which is awesome. Next one, I'm super duper excited. This one is the Lashes MD Eyelash Eyebrow Conditioner. I have never tried any eyelash eyebrow conditioner, maybe castor oil before, but I'm excited to try this. My eyelashes aren't that bad, but who wouldn't want to make them longer, right? So this one is $69.95. So this one has peptides, amino acids, and vitamins to maybe, you know, help those lashes. I'll probably do a before and after to see if it works, but 70 bucks, it's crazy. Okay, so for the next one, again, I'm super excited because I was able to pick this. I did not know that they offer other things besides footwear, but this is the Tom's sunglasses that I'm excited about, and look how cute and chic they are. This one alone is, oh, look at that. It says give sight. This is valued for $58, and I'm just so happy I was able to grab them. I like it. I like how it's kind of like a squarish, circly shape and a little bit of cat eye. I just love it. So this one is actually matte, and I love how it is not the one for the nose. It's actually not those bendy thingies because my hair always gets stuck on it. So I like this one because I can always just put it up like that. Okay, next one is something that I also picked as well. This is the Grace and Stella Say Hi to Hydration Hyaluronic Acid, and it's a hydrating serum. I'm really doing my best to take care of my skin, and one of the things that I want to improve on is moisturizing my skin. This retails for $25. Okay, and for the last product that I got, this is the Winkie Luxe Universal Brow Pencil, and that's what it looks like. Not so sure if I picked this or not, but I'm glad that it's in my box because I've been always wanting to venture out and kind of take a break from my dip brow because I just love how it looks, and try pencil again. I know Winkie Luxe, they sell it in the drugstores in the States, so it's amazing to have one in my box, and maybe I'll fall in love with pencils again. Alright, and that is it for my FabFitFun box. I hope you like the stuff that I shared, and let me tell you again and again, they are worth the price. As you could tell, the amount of stuff that I got and what it's valued for, it's just amazing to try new things and to discover other brands, and you know, pay 40-50 bucks for all of this. It's worth it for me, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to be enjoying all these stuff throughout the summer. So if you're part of the FabFitFun family, let me know what you got. I want to see them, and if you're not, try to get on board because I'm telling you, it's super worth it. So up until the next video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more videos, and don't forget, no matter what the day brings, always find joy. Up until the next video, bye.